Monsoon rains have lashed Pakistan's port city of Karachi, while flash flooding has triggered power outages and overwhelmed the city's fragile infrastructure. About 7 people are reported to have died after torrential rain triggered flash floods and inundation in urban areas. An emergency has been imposed in hospitals across Karachi, where paramilitary forces are helping traffic police in rescuing commuters amidst traffic jams, flooding of roads and destruction of infrastructure. Rains have led to damaged homes, downed trees, and has caused other structural damage as well. Several low-lying areas of Karachi city have been inundated. The Provincial Disaster Management Authority has issued urban flood warnings for parts of the city and other areas of the province. Authorities say that further rains are expected for a few more days due to the monsoon, particularly over Sindh and northeast Punjab. Residents have been urged to remain alert and take necessary precautionary steps during the upcoming few days.